Can I let you know how angry I am right now? I am here loading up, getting things ready for our first trip out of the season. And I just got word that it could be 3 months before we get our tow vehicle. I'm not a happy camper right now. And I know flexibility is the key, but come on. Okay, if you're new to our channel, here's a little bit of the backstory. Dominic's truck was rear-ended. Absolutely nobody's fault. Absolutely not his fault. But it has really slowed us down for getting out to camp this year. So we are really excited to say that yes, we are over that hurdle. We did get out to camp and we did find a place that we could rent a tow vehicle. So many hurdles. We are pretty excited to bring to you the first episode of our 2026 camping season. Drum roll, please. Oh, it's from Arizona. It should do the job. Okay, it's not the sweetest ride and it's not the smoothest setup, but we still got it. We got it. Welcome back. In today's episode, we're tackling our 2026 RV shakedown. I'll be parking the trailer for my very first time, descaling the hot water tank, and taking you along for a fantastic weekend at 50 Point Conservation Area. Let's get started. Okay, I'm doing this for the first time. Let's see if I can back this baby up. You've got to make the most of the situation. I figured it's a rental, so why not use it as an opportunity to attempt to park the trailer for the first time. I got this. I just need a better...
Okay, hold on. Go straight forward a little bit.
I'm so much better at giving directions.
Wait, sorry.
This way. No, that way. No, this way.
A little more. That's it. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Okay, good. Whoa.
6 minutes. That's it. Reaction.
Pretty straight. Pretty straight. 6 minutes. 6 minutes.
Just to do a walk around to let you know how good I did. Check this out. It's pretty darn good for my first try. Now it's time to get down to business. First, we'll de-winterize the trailer, flush out all the antifreeze, and then give the hot water tank a good descaling so it's ready for the season ahead. Getting the antifreeze out of the lines. Okay, you're supposed to continue until the water flow stirs up the sediment. You'll see it flowing with the water in the drain opening. Continue for 2 or 3 minutes or until the water flow is clear.
Which it is.
And it is. It's you can see all the sediment that came out. The water is starting to come clear now. But all the sediment came out. There's chunks on the ground. It was quite a mess. Then you can just rinse off the sediment that's left over on the sides. Well, that was pretty easy peasy. I think we did it right. If we did it wrong, by all means, let us know in the comments down below. We're learning. With everything set up and the work behind us, it's time to get out and explore. Today we're going to do a little bit of a walkabout of 50 Point Conservation Area to show you the beaches and some of the picnic areas. So come along. This is the Lakeside Pavilion. So we've walked over towards the main beach. And this is what they have at the top of the beach. A nice pavilion with washroom facilities. Welcome to the cleanest Lake Ontario, Western Lake Ontario beaches. We all know Lake Ontario is not the cleanest lake, but the water tests very well here at 50 Point Conservation Area. Okay, we'll walk you down to the all-access beach. The dog beach is part of the all-access beach. And other than this spot, this beach, dogs are required to be on leash at all times. This is the dog beach. Close to the lighthouse. Fifty Point is most known for the marina. The marina is one of the best on Western Lake Ontario, with docking space for more than 330 boats. Other marina facilities include pump out station, visitor docks, hydro hookups, water, showers, washrooms, a laundromat, and winter storage facility. There's a wheelchair accessible viewing point overlooking the naturalized fishing pond, which is home to bass and perch. It's a great place to introduce your kids to fishing. Fifty Point is recognized as one of the bird watching hotspots in the Golden Horseshoe. Okay, so this is kind of cool. This is a manufactured structure in order to encourage the purple martins to nest here at 50 Point Conservation Area. Fifty Point also offers 5 picnic areas, 2 sheltered pavilions available for reservation. All bookings come with volleyball nets, charcoal, barbecue, and picnic tables. Love that this is an absolute perfect place to teach kids how to fish. The great thing about 50 Point Conservation Area is they have 40 full hookup sites, which can be booked 11 months in advance. So it's pretty awesome if you plan on opening the trailer for the first time, because then you have all 3 services right on your site. And it just makes everything so much easier. And for first timers, it's much easier to learn how to dump on your own site than it is to line up at a dumping station. So that wraps up our walk around 50 Point Conservation Area. If you haven't yet, subscribe, like, and hit the bell, because when you hit the bell, you'll get notifications every time we visit a new little hidden gem. Thanks for watching. A huge shout out to the Elliots, new members of the RV family. You were great neighbors this weekend, and we hope to see you again next year. Safe travels.